Good morning, awesome people. Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. So, this is Sunday. Yesterday I got a lot of things accomplished that have been put off for way too long. So, I turned this into a greenhouse. So the front porch was full of extra boxes or whatever. I got a plan for the boxes. So we didn't clean this up yet. Let me swing you around. Since that windstorm, that priority, well, is just waiting. So here's the boxes. Here's a lot of the plant containers that the spider mites killed. Look, pineapples. They got thrown out too. So we'll get all this taken care of. Got a plan for the boxes. Oh, I can't get in there. But you can see that, yeah, I have like 5 broken windows. So we have the greenhouse started. And all these pots will have seeds in them. So that started over there. And all along through here. I don't know if you can see all that. But it's a start. It was a total disaster in here. I did not want to get in here. But these are going to be ready to go soon. Probably today. I'll have all seeds in there. I keep going to the store, getting another tray of starters. Friday I went and I got 7 little containers of herbs, 1 of each herb. And yesterday I got another tray and a half of vegetable starts. Now I did come out here Friday, Saturday. Well, a lot of the plants have been coming out every day, but I put them all over here the last couple days. Yesterday it was too long, it got too hot, and some of them started to wilt. I'm going to put a fence out here, probably up to this walnut. I don't know if that's going to stay. That walnut, man, you cannot plant tomatoes near walnuts or potatoes, so that might disappear. I want fruit trees in here. This is all going to be where the cardboard is going to be laid out and smother the grass. I got 2 yards back there of garden soil and 2 yards of screened compost. And what I did here is I put beans through here, so the fence will be a trellis, and I started a trellis. I don't know if you can see that. Started a trellis over here. I gave the neighbor stuff. So this fence here is going to be his trellis. I got to take this pole down. I used that to hold the to brace solar panels many years ago. Yeah, but this is all potatoes in here. I trimmed the kale yesterday. I gave the neighbor some kale. The chives are still doing awesome. So I trimmed the kale. I got several kale in here. So I'm going to have kale on a salad today. The butterfly bush is blooming, or it has leaves anyway. Oh, I left my post out here. It didn't rust, it didn't rain. But yeah, here's the trellis. We got some melons over here. And I got it on the paper. I forget what else went in there. The same as what the neighbor has. So I will remember what we both have on these 2 trellises now. I got to clean up the solar pool heater and get all that out of there. I'm going today. I did some research all morning long on the electric lawnmowers, lithium-ion batteries. So Here's more cardboard. And there's more trellis right there. Since I can't have chickens, I decided to turn this into trellis. And that's going to go between the houses. I don't know what I'm going to do to rig it up to if the neighbor could find a gate somewhere, that'll be cool, or maybe I can, so we can get in and out, because that's his pathway back there too. So we'll trellis on that and garden the front. Oh, I wasn't aiming right. So then we can garden the front yard. I want to garden back here somewhere too. I don't want to get too close to the parking lot for whatever reasons. And I'm sure that the establishment, this is his property. I'll probably garden that as well. I'm going to have canning jars coming in, and 1 to 3 months. A friend that I've had for over 20, 30, 40, 40 years maybe. Her mother passed over the last year. I'm going to get some canning jars from her. I don't know if it's 1 to 300 jars, maybe 400. So I'll make a nice donation on that. So I got a solar heater over here. I've never used it, and I got an idea for that. I'm going to get a heating duct, a great big heating duct, and I'm going to connect it to that and make it into a dehydrator. That should be pretty interesting. And then we can grind up all of the herbs, put them in canning jars, and then I have my own spices. That'll be awesome. So that's what I'm looking into. But it's going to be something else. Try to grow at least half of my own food for the year. And of course we have to grow vertical. I don't have a lot of yard. So it's all in preparation for finding a place out in the country where I will be homesteading for real. Oh, check it out. Can't have chickens in the city. That's what this is all about. I had to get rid of them. But you can have rabbits. Coming to a theater near you. So I'm going to go look at rabbits here pretty soon. So I'm doing everything I can. I'm still working 40 hours a week. And just priorities a little crazy, because instead of paying the bills on time, I'm buying products to get started with this. All of this. So we got cardboard, we got a greenhouse, there's a Harbor Freight greenhouse. I don't know when that's going to get here. It's more or less like a plastic tent. It's the small one. So that'll be exciting when that arrives, hopefully this week, and we'll get that going. I just don't know what I'm going to do with that yet. Maybe tie it off on the four corners, because once in a while we get a windstorm. But we got 3 more cold days coming in this next week, 37, 38, and 38. So I'm not planting outside yet, except for the seeds. They probably take a week or so to come up. That's it in a nutshell. And you have a nice solar homestead day.